World Trade Contacts is a B2B platform that connects customers to world major suppliers. Let's find out how it works. Do you want to sell your company's products? Our service is 100% free, without any additional costs or taxes. Go to www.worldtradecontacts.com. Choose your language from English, Italian and Chinese. Open the drop-down menu and click on Sign In or Register. Click on Create a new account. Please fill in the form with your company details. Then proceed to Subscription. Wait for the confirmation email. You are now fully registered. Your contact will be immediately visible in the WTC catalogue under the category chosen by you. The more types of product you enter, the more you can be contacted. Now you can easily connect and do business with customers all over the world. No additional charges will be applied. Get on board. No more travel will be impossible.